This is problem number 7 on centroid of the plane figures. Here the question is to determine the centroid of the shaded area, okay, of the shaded area shown in figure, okay. Which is the shaded area here? So this is the shaded area. This is the shaded area, correct? So it is asked to find centroid of only this shaded portion. Centroid of only this shaded portion, okay. To find centroid of the shaded portion, so whatever the procedure we have followed for all the previous problems, no, we have to follow the same procedure. We have to follow the same procedure. But the thing is, while finding the area, we have to find the area of only the shaded portion. That is what the difference that we have to make in this calculation. Okay, we have to follow the same procedure as that of previous problems. Okay, but while finding the area, we have to find area of only shaded portion. Now the question comes, how to find this area of shaded portion alone? Okay, so you can find it. You can find it. What you can do is, you can draw on the horizontal. You can draw on the horizontal here, and you can draw on vertical from here. Okay, vertical from here. Now in the overall area of this rectangle, if you deduct area of this quadrant of the circle and area of the right angle triangle, you will get the area of the shaded portion. That is how you can find the area of the shaded portion. Okay, now I'll take this whole rectangle, total rectangle, as component number 1. Okay, and I'll take this quadrant of the circle as component number 2. I'll take this right angle triangle as component number 3. Component number 3. Okay, so that in the total rectangle, if you deduct area of the quadrant of the circle and area of the right angle triangle, you will get the area of the shaded portion. Now we will write the formula. See, for this quadrant of the circle, if I take G2 as centroid, formula is 4r by 3 pi and 4r by 3 pi, right? Then if I take G3 as centroid of right angle triangle, the formula is, see, the distance of centroid is coming from the point, from this point. So it is 2/3 of distance, 2/3 of B. Okay, and y bar formula is again the distance is coming from the point, correct, from the point. Again it is 2/3, 2/3 of h. Okay, the central distance, it is coming from the point 2/3, from the point 2/3, from the line it is 1/3. I will show you here. Here the centroidal distance is coming from the line. This is the line, no, this is the line. From the line it is 1/3 of b, or b by 3. Even if you take y bar formula, it is coming from the line only. This is the line, correct? From the line it is 1/3 of height, h by 3. Even x bar is also equal to b by 3, because it is coming from the line b by 3. But in this case, the distance is coming from the point, of the right angle triangle, from the point. So it is 2/3 of height, and even x bar is equal to, it is coming from the point 2/3 of b. That is how you have to apply the formula. You should be careful with respect to the right angle triangle. Okay, instead of 2/3 of b, if you take 1/3 of b, the whole solution will go wrong. Okay, carefully we have to apply the formula. Okay, now we'll do the calculations. What is the first component we have? We have total rectangle. First component is total rectangle, component number 1. Area of rectangle is b into d, b into d. So b is width of the rectangle, it is 50 plus 150, 50 plus 150, 200, and depth of rectangle is 150 plus 50, 200. Okay, so we have got the same dimensions in both the directions. Actually it is a square, no problem. So 200 into 200, the answer is 40,000, 40,000 mm square. Coming to the x value for rectangle, it is b by 2 and d by 2, b by 2, 200 by 2, 100 mm, d by 2, 200 by 2, 100 mm. Then second component is quadrant of the circle, quadrant of the circle 2. Okay, and area of quadrant of the circle is 1/4 of area of the circle, pi r square by 4. Very very important, you have to take negative sign here, because to get the area of the shaded portion you have to deduct area of the quadrant of the circle and area of the rectangle triangle. Okay, therefore pi into radius is 150, correct? 150 mm is the radius, 150 square by 4. The answer is minus of 1767 1.45. Okay, you may get difference in last one digit or two digits, no problem. Okay, you take the same answer. Okay, finally you'll get the same answer for experimental paper. Then coming to the x value for quadrant of the circle, it is distance of g2 from reference x-axis. So here I forgot to write the reference x-axis and the y-axis. So here I'll write reference y-axis, and here I'll take the reference x-axis. Okay. Now x value for quadrant of the circle is nothing but it is distance of g2 from reference y-axis. This is what the x value. It is directly 4r by 3 pi. 4r by 3 pi. 4 into radius is 150 mm by 3 pi. The answer is 63.66. Then coming to the y value for right angle triangle, means distance of g2 from x-axis. It is directly 4r by 3 pi again. 4r by 3 pi, you will get the same answer, 63.66 mm. Okay. Then coming to the third component, what is the third component? Right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Right angle triangle 3. Okay. Formula for right angle triangle, half into base into height, which is equal to half into base is 150, height is 150. 150 into 150. The answer is 11,250 with negative sign. Okay, we have to deduct the area of the right angle triangle as well to get the area of the shaded portion. Okay, negative sign, negative sign. So it is minus. The answer is 11,250. 11,250. Okay, so don't forget to take the negative sign here. Then coming to the x value for right angle triangle, which is nothing but distance of G3 from reference y axis. This distance, this is what the x distance, x value for right angle triangle. So it is 50. Okay, it is 50 plus 2b by 3. 50 plus 2b by 3. So it is 50 plus 2b by 3. 50 plus 2 into b is 150 by 3. 150 by 3. The answer is 150 mm. 150 mm. Okay. Then coming to the y value. Y value means distance of G3 from reference x axis. This distance. It is 50 plus 2/3 h. Okay. It is 50 plus 2h by 3. So it is 50 plus 2h by 3. 50 plus 2 into height of the right angle triangle is 150 only. 150 by 3. The answer is 150 again. 150. Okay. Coming to the AX and AY values, multiply 40,000 into 100. It will be 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 40 lakhs. AY is also 40 lakhs. Then for quadrant of the circle, it is minus, because area is having negative sign, minus 1724964.5. Sorry, not 17, it is 11. Here also same answer, minus 1124964.5. Okay. For triangle, the answer is minus 1687500, minus 1687500. Okay. Now calculate the total answers. Here total area is equal to 11,078.55. Sigma AX is equal to 11,87535.5. Okay. And sigma AY is also same answer, 11,87535.5. Now you can calculate the x bar and the y bar. So we know the formula. X bar is equal to sigma AX by sigma A, which is equal to 118,735.5 divided by 11,078.55. By this we will get the answer for x bar as 107.2 millimeter, and even the y bar is equal to sigma AY by sigma A is equal to 1187535.5. We will get the same answer, 11,078.55. Y bar is equal to same answer, 107.2. Okay, this completes the problem. So if you have got any doubts in solution of this problem, you can post your doubt in the comment section. I'll clarify that doubt. Okay, thank you.